In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email sync in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, the process begins with accessing your personal preferences in Pipedrive. Look to the top right corner of your screen where you will see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Personal Preferences. This is where you'll be able to manage various settings related to your account. Once you're in Personal Preferences, the next step is to navigate to the Email Sync section. On this settings page, take a moment to locate the option that says Email Sync. Click on that, and you'll be directed to the relevant area where you can connect your email account. Now it's time to connect your email account. Look for the Connect Email Account button and click on that. This step is crucial, as you'll be linking your email to Pipedrive, allowing for seamless communication and tracking within the platform. Next up is the authentication process. Here you'll need to select your business email address. This is where you'll be prompted to go through a security check. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You might need to enter your password or confirm your identity in some way. Once you've completed the necessary security prompts, make sure to click Continue to grant Pipedrive the permissions it needs to access your email account. It's really important to ensure that you allow the permissions requested, otherwise the sync won't work properly. After you've authenticated your email, you're almost there. The final step is to activate the sync. You'll see a button that says Sync. Click on that to finalize the connection. Pipedrive will begin the process of importing your emails, which means you'll have all your communications integrated within your sales pipeline. And that's it. Setting up email sync in Pipedrive is a straightforward process, and once you've completed these steps, you'll find it pretty convenient to manage your emails alongside your sales activities. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'd love to hear your experiences with email sync, so feel free to share your thoughts